What happened when four best friends decided to make everyone smile? The ending surprised the whole school. Ali, Hassan, Maryam, and Zainab were the best of friends. They always greeted each other with Assalamu alaikum and love helping everyone.
Welcome
Today
to
is
Friendship
Friendship and
Day.
Happiness
Today we
Day.
have a special
Your
challenge
challenge
for
is
everyone.
simple.
I'm gonna
Spread
make
as
a
much
card.
happiness as
Let's
you
work
can.
together.
Whoever spreads the most happiness today will receive the Friendship Star Award.
Ali, let's work together instead of competing. Maryam, yes, together we can make everyone happy. Ali shared his biscuits with classmates who had no snacks. Their smiles made him even happier. Maryam
like to sit with
said,
us today?
"Come sit
We
with
have
us.
plenty of
No one
room."
should feel lonely."
Yes, come
The
join
shy
us.
girl smiled for the first time that day. Without anyone asking, Hassan cleaned the classroom and picked up the scattered paper. Zainab
so,
said,
with just
"Let
a
me tell you
small
a
act
beautiful
of
story
kindness,
about kindness."
the whole world
Everyone
began to
listened
change
with
for the
big
better.
smiles. The four friends
Great
helped
job,
their
everyone.
teacher arrange books and tidy
We
up
love
the
to help.
classroom.
We love to help.
Ali
Welcome to our
said,
class.
"Welcome.
You're our friend
You
now.
can be our friend." The new
Thank you
student
so much.
instantly felt at home. When a child fell in the playground, the friends quickly helped him up and comforted him. Teacher said, "I've been watching all of you today."
Today I learned something special.
Today, you all earned the Friendship Star Award for working together.
Today we had to show kindness to everyone.
We are so incredibly proud of you.
You did a wonderful job, sweetheart. You
Kindness, sharing, and true friendship make the world a happier place.